Welcome to TechVerse, your ultimate source for cutting-edge tech insights. Today, we're diving into the latest rumors about Samsung's upcoming flagship foldable, the Galaxy Z Fold 7, which is expected to bring significant upgrades while still using the same battery. And if you've been following the evolution of Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold lineup, you know that although the Galaxy Z Fold 6 delivered some welcome improvements in 2024, it ultimately fell short when compared to competing foldables. And now a new report reveals that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 might finally offer the enhancements users have been eagerly waiting for, drawing inspiration from last year's Galaxy Z Fold SE. According to multiple sources, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is rumored to feature a thinner design and a bigger display, along with a redesigned hinge mechanism that not only improves durability, but also minimizes a crease on the display, which has long been a point of contention for users. And there are indications that Samsung is also planning to modify the S Pen functionality in order to maintain a slimmer profile, thereby offering a more streamlined and aesthetically pleasing device. And as noted by leaker Setsuna Digital on Weibo, these changes are expected to include not only improvements to the hinge and display crease, but also enhancements to both the main camera and the under-display camera, as well as better water and dust resistance, all of which align with the upgrade seen in the Galaxy Z Fold SE, which featured an impressive 8-inch display and a 200MP main camera that set a new benchmark in the foldable smartphone category. However, despite these promising upgrades, one aspect that remains unchanged is the battery capacity, as this leak asserts that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will retain the same 4,400 mAh battery that Samsung has been using since the Fold 3 in 2021. And while many users might be disappointed that there won't be an increase in battery size or charging speed with this new release, it is worth noting that this decision aligns with the Galaxy Z Fold SE specifications, which also featured a 4,400 mAh battery, suggesting that Samsung is focusing more on refining the overall design and enhancing key functionalities rather than simply boosting battery capacity. And with Samsung's next foldable devices set to launch later this year, these developments signal that the company is committed to iterative innovation in its foldable lineup, ensuring that each new model addresses previous shortcomings while incorporating user feedback. And although the rumor about the unchanged battery might be seen as a drawback for those who demand longer endurance, the improved hinge mechanism, expanded display, and refined S Pen features could very well compensate for this, offering a more seamless and immersive user experience. And as always, it's important to remember that these details are based on leaks and should be taken with a grain of salt until Samsung's official announcement. But if these rumors hold true, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 could mark a significant step forward in the evolution of foldable smartphones by striking a balance between innovative design and practical usability, even if it means keeping some aspects, like the battery, consistent with previous generations. And as the launch date approaches, enthusiasts and tech experts alike will be watching closely to see how these changes translate into real-world performance and whether they truly set the Z Fold 7 apart from its predecessors and competitors. So stay tuned for more updates as we continue to monitor this exciting development in the world of foldable technology. And thank you for joining us on this comprehensive breakdown of what to expect from the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay ahead of the latest tech trends, please subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth updates and analysis. This is TechVerse, signing off.